Hello everyone, welcome to Zoom Tricks. In this video we are going to show you some of the security features that you must keep in mind when you are scheduling a meeting in Zoom. Now these security settings are the general ones, like you can make note of them and perform these steps every time you are scheduling a new meeting, because they not only ensure your privacy but they also ensure that whatever is happening in the meeting, the host has the full control of it. So let us see that what are those settings. First of all, for those settings you need to go to this link, that is zoom.us. So although the link is already opened onto my screen, but I'm again going to go to this link just to show you guys, zoom.us. From here you can just go to host a meeting or my account basically. Now when you are in this my account, you will get every information about your account. Now from this you need to go to meetings. In this meeting there is this option of schedule a meeting, so let's just click on that. Now once you click on this option, then you will be getting a bunch of options that you can control before scheduling a meeting. First of all is the topic, so you can add any topic, which is not much of a security feature but a setting over here. Here you can set duration and the time when you want to make sure that your meeting starts. Next we have is a very important setting, and that is a recurring meeting. So if you just click it on, then what happens is you can select when this meeting recurs. Like by default the setting is every day until April 5th 2022, which is a 7 occurrences. So that is by default taken by Zoom, but you can just change the recurrence frequency, the repetition after how many days, like you want every alternate days or so on, and till when you want it. And then what happens after that number of occurrences, like you want 20 days or 30 days or so on. Then very important security feature is a passcode. Make sure that the passcode is always present there. Zoom automatically generates a passcode for you, which is this one. Only the participants who have this passcode and the meeting link would be able to join it. So make sure you set a strong passcode so that no one unwanted accesses that. The second option is this waiting room option, which is really very important. So what happens is whenever a participant wants to join a meeting, they go into the waiting room and they wait. They do not get to see what is happening in the meeting. The host has a control wherein he has to manually approve each and every participant who is present in the waiting room, and only if the host approves, then the participants enter into the main meeting. This is very important step, as you can tell that your private information, whatever is going on in the meeting, won't be leaked to anywhere outside the world. Next is this option, so let's just click on this show option. Here there are few options that you can choose, like allow participants to join anytime. If there is a time constraint, like you do not want participants to join anytime but only in the first 5 or the first 10 minutes, so you can make sure that this option is not checked. Mute participants upon entry. This is a very important option. If you don't want some hustle or whatever background noise is going on from the participants end to disturb your meeting, then you can just click on this option and the participants would be muted by default. Breakout room pre-assigned. So there is a breakout room video which we have already recorded. I would recommend you to just take a look at that to understand what is a breakout room. And if you want to pre-assign those breakout rooms, then you can just click on this option. Next is automatically record the meeting on the local computer. So this happens when you want to record the meeting but don't want to go through the trouble of pressing the record button. So you can automatically turn this option on. And further, you can approve or block entries to users from specific regions or countries. Like if you want to limit your Zoom meeting interaction to only a particular region and don't want other regions to join in, then you can use this option. And finally, once all of these options are okay with you, you can just click on the save option and a meeting would be scheduled. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.